my dear friends. My name is Sareshwaran. I am studying in UKG I section. Today I am going to make paper boat. Let's we start? Yes. Step 1. Fold it. Make a rectangle and press it like this. And next seal. Folding. Step 2. Fold it to make a square. Seal again. Step 3. Step 3. Fold it like this. And seal again. Step 4. Bend it like this. Step 5. Fully put inside and like this. Sealing part is there. Step 6. Open on the here. Step 7. Press it.
जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी, जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी, जैसे बिना।
Now I'm going to write the boat name.
ये तो आशा की लहर है, ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है, खुशियों की नहर है, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीन पर।
Thank you, teacher, for giving